How long ago did you hook into this fish?
Oh, 5 minutes. Hold it sideways, yeah.
You gonna put this on Facebook?
Probably. Hey, on the flagpole.
I got mine in the spinner. Austin's a lucky son of a gun. He got the big one. Did you see the fin or not? So
I haven't even seen the fish yet.
Well, maybe you did get the little one. You're on a fly rod. What do you call this hole?
They don't have a name.
Snaggy son.
It's all private property.
You snaggy son of a gun.
I call it that sometimes.
Can't see your line. Oh, there it is. I'll get on the other side of you. You fighting good?
Oh yeah.
Plenty good?
Oh, there he is.
Where? Oh yeah, there he is.
I imagine he'll go out sometime soon.
I don't know. He had a pretty sparky set.
Stay away from that metal, you piece of junk.
There she
There
is.
he is.
Nice big red line. I'm gonna go grab him that.
Good fish. Probably 28 inches.
Yeah, I'm guessing 30. Something around there.
He's pretty heavy.
Been a pretty successful year. For me, anyway.
Should we fight him down?
Nah. Too many rabbits. It's easier to let him here.
Nice fish.
I don't know, it might be an out of season, or might be an out of season. No, it's a steelhead. We're still doing this tomorrow. Get him in so I can have a chance. How heavy do you think he is?
7 pounds.
7? How much do you think mine weighs? Right there? Hanging up in the tree? Right there.
Oh yeah, he ain't moving. Yours is probably 5. Maybe 4.5, 5.
Yeah, I'd yield mine pretty good. There's your line there, buddy boy.
Here it comes, I think. Here it comes.
You want me in the water or out?
Out. Stay out. Instead of spooking back up. Good fish.
Did you snag him? Or is he just wrapped?
No, that's
Oh, nice run.
he's still going.
You should post this on YouTube.
I think I will.
Don't know how many views it'll get, but
Probably you.
yeah.
Probably by me, but
Hey, I haven't shown my fish. Here on the Salmon River.
show your fish.
Yeah. Here on the Salmon River. Location unknown.
Near Challis, Idaho.
Yeah, we're on the main salmon. Getting to run off. Last end of the season. Last edge, I should say.
Yeah, good fish.
Oh yeah, look at that fat hog. So you have a YouTube account?
Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yeah, I went the other way.
There it goes.
I think it's a snag.
Good fish. Here it goes.
Oh. I'm probably the worst netter ever.
Get out of the water. Get out. I'll get out soon. And that way, just only here, we'll get him right over here where there's a nice drop off.
Keep an eye on that metal.
Here, get the net back. Get the net back. Get the net back. Wait, no, not yet. Wait till he's in.
I thought the net was supposed to, so we can get him in.
Wait.
I am. Getting the net wet. Better get the fish, huh?
There he comes.
Oh crap, I had him too. Let some line out, let's get him on the bank. Conk him.
There he is.
Conk him and then we'll get a nice
Hold
picture.
him up while you're videoing.
Yeah, there's mine. He's always showing me up, god dang it. Here, you want me to conk him? Ah, he's jizzing all, or coming all. Cementing on you. Nice fish, Austin.
Alright.
Beautiful scenery.